Hey, welcome to How's the Channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to turn on or off birthday calendar in Outlook.com. Open your web browser. Go to Outlook page. Log into your account. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Select View All Outlook Settings. Go to Calendar and select View. To disable birthday calendar, uncheck Turn on birthday calendar option. Click Save. To enable birthday calendar, check Turn on birthday calendar option. Click Save. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!